my bones, chill my brain. Let us have a love that never forgets.
Like every year and probably like everyone, I've started to prepare my home for the upcoming festivities, which means a little bit of freshness with tiny things linked to the kitchen and decor. Bringing a fresh vibe in the home through some minor decor changes and gearing up for poojas as well as hosting people. I like to do a little in every room of the home, including kitchen, living and bedroom. I've recently picked a few items that may not be very huge, but ones that make me happy since they add freshness to the home. These lovely baskets will be put to good use today. These gorgeous hydrangeas have been keeping my balcony in pristine condition for months, and now their time is nearly up, so I've chosen to cut some for the basket. To make sure these final flowers stay as long as possible, you may keep a little basin of water within this basket. Decorating your home can be as simple or elaborate as you like, depending on your personality and lifestyle. These beautiful baskets, kettle and many more such products can be easily found on Temu app, that is a one-stop solution for all things affordable and useful. I've purchased so many little things that help with organizing and decorating. For instance, this kettle is another beautiful thing I got, and the best part is that it can be used directly on the hob to boil things. I went with the bigger size, but it also comes in a smaller option. There is a slight chill in the air as the temperature gradually drops. Tea with snacks is perfect at this time of year in my opinion. Along with the chai, I pulled out some shakkar pare that I had prepared for a previous video. These two older baskets have been used to store onions and potatoes for what seems like a lifetime. So I figured it was time to upgrade to some newer ones from Temu. These are available in sets or separately and can instantly make any room feel warmer and cozier. They can also be used as a decorative element on the table by holding fruit displays. Changing the color of the walls or purchasing new furniture is not the only method to breathe new life into a room. It's amazing what a few simple touches, and smaller ones mind you, can do to a room. These chic white bottles are ideal for this exact job. I really like how the color brings the grey countertop to life. These labels were included as well. Extra points for the shiny gold knobs. The fact that you can't see how much oil is left in the container is the main drawback, but I personally don't mind it. The knobs have an automatic opening and closing mechanism. My go-to solution for updating the look of my kitchen without replacing any of my existing things is to just get new labels for everything. These pantry labels are also from Temu, and I plan to use them to label other jars throughout the house. To better fit your needs, you can actually cut these to different dimensions.
Oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. It's exceptional.
I've been preaching for a while now that we can make a great difference with little adjustments. And I believe that one of the best and quickest ways to achieve so is by switching out the wall art. There's an abundance of alternatives and options on the app, but for the time being I will stick with these simple ones.
Dried out in a summer that I didn't know why.
The medium here is more like canvas than paper. Cleaning these frames and the wall was probably at the top of my list while thinking about Diwali cleaning. That's a decent beginning, I suppose. Maybe a little too soon. These were a wonderful match for my frames and they instantly brightened up my living room. Every time I pass by them, I can't help but stare. I was hoping someone could give me some advice on how to decorate around these two. Keeping in mind the upcoming celebrations and festivities, I went out and purchased some string lights and some adorable mushroom lights for the balcony. Put these mushrooms in the ground or the containers and they'll glow at night on their own. The power source for these is a solar battery.
My love, I begin to believe again. It's only for you, only for you, only for you. It's only for you. It's only for you, only for you. It's only for you.
It hasn't sunk in yet that I get to call this place home. Every morning I open my eyes with tears of gratitude. I spent the entire day buzzing with excitement over the number of fantastic new things and daydreaming about the many unique ways I could improve the space with them.
When I'm with you, I can never lose.
It was close to Ganesh Chaturthi and I immediately moved on to preparing some treats. That evening I felt such a profound sense of tranquility and peace. Making these treats seemed like a nice way to show my appreciation to God for always being there for me and blessing me.
I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here doing my best.
I would have been hesitant to make such a large quantity of laddoos in the past, but this evening it all came together with barely any kind of effort on my part. I'm confident that most of you already know how to make this recipe due to its relative ease. My recipe is as easy as dry roasting the gram flour for 10 minutes, then adding the ghee and continuing to roast for another 10 minutes, and finally roasting it for the last 10 minutes to achieve the desired color and consistency. When I add ghee, I do so gradually. This ensures that I don't go overboard with it. Here are a few of my personal tips. You can improve the color of this recipe by adding a pinch of turmeric, and you can increase the flavor by adding some crushed pepper. We always put some in because it's a tradition in our family and it tastes great. Third, the besan or gram flour will release all of its ghee if you cook it long enough. That will turn the whole thing into a doughy paste.
Give me your attention.
While waiting for the besan mixture to cool, I decided to show you the two new additions to my puja space. One example is this wooden incense stick container. It may not hold much, but it can hold a few sticks. This would be a lovely festival gift in my opinion.
Looking at you.
Not to mention this beautiful golden incense container or holder.
I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven.
The sticks can be easily positioned thanks to the variety of hole sizes. I have given all the relevant links to these beautiful products in the description box.
Making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Just give me your attention.
Perhaps this day was yet another gift, and for that I am eternally grateful. Mostly because I was able to do all the things I enjoy doing, from decorating and organizing to cleaning and spending time with my family in the safety and security of my own home. Whenever I am feeling low, I tell myself that I have the resources to create a life that's beautiful and comfortable just as I envision it. There is no way this could be any better. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and until next time, take care.